In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change pay period in Connecteam. If you need to update the payroll cycle your team uses, Connecteam makes that pretty straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find the setting, choose a new pay period format, and save the change correctly so your timesheets reflect the new schedule. To begin, go to your Connecteam launchpad. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand sidebar and open the time clock feature. This is where the payroll-related settings are connected, so that's the first place you'll want to access. After the time clock page opens, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click Settings. This will take you into the area where time clock preferences and payroll options can be adjusted. If you don't see the option right away, just make sure you're inside the correct time clock section before continuing. Next, in the settings area, select the payroll tab from the menu on the left side. This is where Connecteam lets you control how your payroll cycle is structured. Once you're in the payroll section, look for the payroll cycle area. Here, use the drop-down menu to choose your new pay period format. For example, you might switch to a weekly cycle or a bi-weekly cycle, depending on how your business runs payroll. Be careful to choose the format that matches your actual payroll process, since this setting affects how timesheet date ranges are organized. After that, select the day of the week your work week officially starts. This step is important because it determines how Connecteam groups employee hours within each payroll period. Make sure this start day matches the schedule your company uses internally so your reporting stays accurate and easy to review. Then choose a recent closing date for the payroll. This helps Connecteam align the new cycle with your most current payroll timing. Once you've selected that date, click Save Changes to apply everything. After saving, Connecteam will automatically update the date range shown in your Timesheets tab to match the new payroll period. That means your records should now reflect the updated cycle without needing any extra manual adjustment. And that's it. By going to Time Clock, opening setting, selecting Payroll, updating the payroll cycle, choosing the workweek start day, setting a recent closing date, and saving your changes, you can successfully change the pay period in Connecteam.